High volatility will increase the cost of hedging to manufacturers because there is a direct relationship between volatility and, for example, the option price premium. Higher volatility also increases the bid-ask spread in the forward market. To illustrate the point, using the closing Henry Hub index price of natural gas on Friday, just last Friday, at $4.04 per million BTU, a call option for 100,000 million BTUs with a 6-month expiration at the money would cost a manufacturer approximately $36,500. If we increase the implied volatility of only 5%, the premium cost goes up 15%. If we increase the implied volatility 10%, the premium cost rises 31%. And if we increase the implied volatility 20%, it increases the option premium a whopping 61%.